Why journaling is the secret to success and how to do it. In today's fast-paced and often chaotic world, many of us feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure of where life is headed. What if I told you that a simple, inexpensive habit could change all of that? A habit that declutters your mind, improves your mental well-being, and boosts your chances of success. That habit is journaling, and it's not just about keeping a diary. It's a proven tool to create clarity, unlock potential, and steer your life in the direction you want. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why journaling can be life-changing, but also learn exactly how to incorporate it into your daily routine. So, grab a pen and paper. This might just be the start of something incredible. Let's begin with a simple truth. We all have thoughts racing through our minds all day, every day. Some are productive, others anxious, and many repetitive. These unorganized thoughts can leave you feeling mentally cluttered and emotionally drained. That's where journaling can help. When you journal, you offload this mental clutter onto a page. It's like clearing your desktop of stray files, allowing your mind to refocus and recalibrate. The act of writing helps you process your emotions, find solutions to problems, and break free from the mental cycles that hold you back. Successful individuals across the world attribute clarity, resilience, and focus to their journaling routines. What if you could do the same? In fact, studies show that journaling relieves stress, enhances positivity, and fosters clearer thinking. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket, guiding you every step of the way. Journaling is more than a habit. It's a tool for clarity, purpose, and progress. Let's explore how it works. First, it declutters your mind. Writing everything down, even the messy stuff, allows you to let go of emotional baggage and clears the path for new ideas. Second, it sharpens your focus on what truly matters. By reflecting on your actions and goals in your journal, you can tune out distractions and align with your core values. Lastly, journaling reveals your growth over time. By recording your progress, you can celebrate your successes and identify areas you want to improve. So, whether you're aiming to strengthen your mental health, build better habits, or take charge of your future, journaling meets you where you're at and helps you pave the way forward. Journaling isn't a one-size-fits-all practice. In fact, there are different approaches, each with unique benefits. Let's break down a few you can try. 1. Gratitude journaling. Take a few moments each day to jot down 2 or 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the sunlight streaming through your window or a kind word from a friend. Gratitude journaling rewires your brain to focus on positivity, helping you cultivate a happier mindset. 2. Problem-solving journaling. Facing a tough challenge? Use your journal to write down the problem in detail. Break it into smaller pieces, list potential solutions, or brainstorm freely. Seeing the issue down on paper often reveals answers you couldn't find in a swirl of overthinking. 3. Vision journaling. This is where you dream big. Write as if you've already achieved your goals. Describe your ideal future with vivid detail, where you are, what you've accomplished, and how you feel. This mental rehearsal fuels motivation and keeps your goals at the forefront of your actions. The beauty of journaling is that you can mix and match these methods depending on your needs. If you've never journaled before or feel intimidated by the thought of it, don't worry. Journaling is as flexible and forgiving as you need it to be. Here's how to get started. Start small. You don't need to write pages of eloquent prose. Start with just a few sentences each day. A simple, "Today, I felt very happy because I started learning a course," can work wonders. Be consistent. Pick a time of day that works best for you. Maybe it's first thing in the morning to set your intentions, or at night to reflect on your day. Forgive missed days. Journaling is not about perfection. If you miss a day or 2, or 10, don't give up. Just start again when you're ready. One of the biggest hurdles to journaling is overcomplicating the process. So let's keep it simple. Start by finding a tool that suits you best. You might enjoy the tactile nature of writing in a notebook. There's something grounding and personal about pen meeting paper. Alternatively, digital journaling apps can be great for convenience and organization. Create a comfortable space where you can journal without distractions, whether that's in bed, at a coffee shop, or while sitting under a tree. Most importantly, set your intention each time you journal. ask yourself, what do I hope to gain from journaling today? Sometimes, staring at a blank page can feel daunting. That's where prompts come in handy. Here are a few to get you started. What am I feeling right now and why? What are 3 things I'm grateful for today? What's one small step I can take toward my goal this week? If I had no limitations, what would my dream life look like? What held me back today, and how can I overcome it tomorrow? These questions are simple yet powerful, helping you explore your thoughts and tap into your deeper self. Over time, journaling gives you the gift of perspective. Try flipping back through old entries and notice how you've grown. You might find moments where you overcame challenges you thought were insurmountable, or reminders of goals you've since achieved. This habit makes your progress visible and boosts your confidence in facing future challenges. Don't forget to celebrate those wins, no matter how small they might seem. Let's take a moment to address common misconceptions about journaling. Some people hesitate to start because they believe, "I'm not a good writer." Journaling is not a writing competition. It's raw, unfiltered, and just for you. The goal is expression, not perfection. "I don't have the time." Journaling doesn't require hours of your day. Even 5 minutes of writing can have a profound impact. Don't let these fears hold you back. Journaling is yours to mold. It can be as elaborate or as simple as you need it to be. If you're looking for a way to connect with yourself, bring calm to your busy mind and take meaningful steps toward your goals, journaling is your answer. It's not just about writing. It's about reflecting, envisioning, and creating a life of purpose and balance. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Your first journal entry might seem small, but it's a declaration to yourself. I value my thoughts, my feelings, and my growth. So, grab a notebook and start today. Whether you're writing gratitude lists, solving problems, or dreaming of your future, you're one step closer to the clarity and success you deserve. And there you have it. Journaling isn't just putting pen to paper. It's a transformative habit that helps you take control of your life, channel your thoughts, and work toward your goals. By reflecting on your daily experiences, setting clear intentions, and tracking your progress, journaling empowers you to stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your true purpose. The beauty of journaling is that it's deeply personal. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Whether you prefer bullet points, free writing, or prompts, what matters most is showing up for yourself consistently. Over time, you'll notice how this simple practice can lead to big changes in your mindset, productivity, and even your happiness. Your journal could just be the tool that transforms your life. Are you ready to begin? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. We'd also love to hear from you. What's your journaling experience, or are you inspired to start? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.